Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Level Up Studies. Do you know every English sentence starts from just a few simple letters? Let's build English step by step. First, we have letters from A to Z. These are the foundation of English. Letters are divided into two types, vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the heart of every word because every word needs at least one vowel. All the other letters except vowels are called consonants. For example, B, C, D, F, G and so on. When we join letters together, we make words. For example, C, A, T together make the word cat. Here A is a vowel and C and T are consonants. Together, vowels and consonant build words. Next is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words, but it doesn't convey complete meaning. For example, on the road or an intelligent student. Both are conveying the incomplete meaning, so these are phrases. Finally, we have sentence. A sentence is a group of words which conveys complete meaning. For example, a cat is on the road and he is an intelligent student. Now let's learn the interesting thing. A sentence cannot be a part of phrase, but a phrase can be a part of sentence. Let's try to understand with example. Phrase on the table. This is not complete. We don't know what is on the table. Sentence. The book is on the table. Now you can see phrase doesn't convey complete meaning, but a sentence conveys. Phrase doesn't stand alone, but a sentence does. Now let's conclude. Firstly, we have letters. Letters are of two types, vowels and consonants. Letters together make words and words together make phrase or sentence. Phrase conveys incomplete meaning and sentence conveys complete meaning. This is how English is built. At the end of the video, let's see what you have learned today. Drop at least 5 phrases in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe Level Up Studies to level up your studies.